Welcome to a new episode of One Punch.
Hold the fuck up.
You're intensely sexy.
And I flew 4,600 miles to get catfished by a milsim.
Crossing.
When you think you're gonna play a milsim in an abandoned theme park, you expect teacup rides, broken down carousels,
And if I had a roller coaster, this is where I'd put it.
If I had one!
but instead we got none of that. This is Warzone. We got buildings infested with black mold that didn't go anywhere, and one central building that had 3 choke points. The only part of this event that resembled a theme park was the lines.
When do we get to the ride?
This is the ride!
Yippee!
But thankfully, English Banner and good friends saved the day.
Tape is holding on like my morale is right now.
Hello, can I go home now?
It's getting a bit dry, isn't it?
Right, it looks like
Get in! I feel like Gandhi's flip.
No,
Play the game of whack fuck here.
It's a game of whack fuck.
Game of whack fuck. Play the game of whack fuck here.
This was easily the worst event I've ever been to. For this event, I'm using the Wolverine MTW with 3 2-gram rounds. Wait, what the fuck is that? Is he putting his tape on his toe? This gives you an idea of how well it will run.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Capturing this middle choke point is the most important. If we get there before everyone else, we can cut off their reinforcement. I'm at the front line, time to push him back. With reinforcements arriving, I need to fall back and clear the other side of the building.
I'll leave it with you, you got the distance, right?
One down.
I need to hold this position and wait for more reinforcements to arrive.
You switch left. I can't see shit.
My turn on the ride is over. Time to let someone else on.
Changing. You're up.
Main castle is firmly under control. Let's see if we can push the enemy back.
You got fucking hit, Bill, set you hit, you fucking dirty bastard. You're intensely sexy.
Love gas blowbacks.
Make it go boom. I'm gonna cross below you.
With the center choke point captured, it's time to reinforce the sides.
Fuck! Yeah. This place of lies!
After meeting up with Nico, we decide that we're just gonna go for kills and hold the center ground.
Crossing. He's down. He's down. Oh, nope, no kill.
Not even halfway through, my hop-ups and magazines start acting up.
Oh, come on, magazine. Yeah, seen.
On my way back to spawn, I see the fresh meat for the meat grinder. Queues of players lined up waiting to get their turn at the one spot you could take shots at. 80% of this place was unusable. Only concrete pads remain where roller coasters used to be.
Playing a game of whack fuck here.
Come on, guy. No way. No fucking way. Hit!
After half a day, the lads were over it. We decided that we're going to go play elsewhere the next day, and we're just going to have some jokes for the rest of the afternoon.
Hello, can I go home now?
Hello, you bunch of cans.
It's getting a bit dry, isn't it?
Right, it looks like
Get in!
It might rain in a bit.
I feel like Gandhi's flip.
No, not.
There's just no flanks, that's the problem.
Yeah, he's literally.
What about you? How are you getting on?
50-50 in terms of hit calling. I've just been switching to full and just like dumping anyone I see. There was one guy I felt bad because like he ran into the open. I'm like, sorry, no mercy. It's a game of whack fuck.
Played a game of whack fuck here.
You gotta put in the Fairly Odd Parents, and if I had a roller coaster, this is where I'd put it.
If I had one!
Exact simulation. Teacup rides! Teacup rides! Woo! Okay, I'm really dizzy.
Tape is holding on like my morale is right now.
While the gameplay sucked, it was still fun to hang out with the lads and screw around.
Start shooting at some of them on man. Stop picking people up.
Ow! Playing a game of whack fuck here. What's up, dog?
You know when the rock comes on, he goes, "It's the biggest piece of dog crap."
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
That does it for today's episode. Thank you guys for watching the worst milsim I've ever been to. Huge shout out to Names Nika for hosting me, and a big shout out to the Geezer Garrison lads who met up to play this event. Miss y'all, take it easy.